even know? Oh, I can see myself. There you go. Right there. Perfect. So
Stuck in traffic.
Yes.
We got the jack though.
The jack? See the jack?
Yeah.
Now, hopefully, it'll stop squeaking because it's embarrassing driving around with a squeaky car.
You won't hear it.
Huh?
We're stuck in traffic, so
Yes.
you guys can't hear it.
So that's my interior, guys.
Oh yeah, we haven't showed them.
Yeah, I kind of fucked up on this one, but I'm gonna be redoing it and not overspray and cutting the shit.
The excess. I
That's my
told you to
shit,
trace
man.
it, man, so you don't have to like have so much.
No, it wasn't that much.
You tucked so much in.
No, not.
Did you not watch the video? It was a lot. I could see you like struggling trying to tuck it in.
See, that one's fucking mint down there. That one's a good side. There's my energy shift knob. And then-
Sponsor us.
Yep.
Nice.
And Nardi also.
This guy needs an energy quick release.
Yep. Oh, I found one. And it comes with a lock too. The key.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Nice.
250. Brand new. And then there's this cover right here. That's actually pretty good. Turned out pretty well.
No glue.
No glue needed.
I'm just gonna vlog and drive.
Yeah, vlog and drive. Vlog and drive.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It's okay, we're in traffic. Yeah, so that's the sound if you guys can hear it. I don't know. You guys probably just hear the exhaust. Oh yeah, I'm driving his car because I'm poor as fuck.
And I'm too lazy to drive. Which is a good thing.
Always too lazy to drive. Oh, and Van's gonna meet us at my place, so.
Yep. But
We got word that there's a meet tonight, but it's raining, so. And we gotta work on this car.
If it doesn't stop squeaking, I'm not going. Cause that's gonna be embarrassing as fuck.
So we're trying to fix it,
And
wait
hopefully
till the weather,
Yep.
and then we'll head out, maybe.
We're gonna meet Integra Empire.
Follow him on Facebook and Instagram.
Yep.
Shout out to Integra Empire.
Yep. Oh,
There it is.
it's happening.
What else? That is
Hear that? Hear that? Hear that? Sorry. My bad.
We're gonna try and figure that out.
I'm just gonna add some lube. Some lubricant.
His theory is that it's dirty.
Yep, dirty. It's from the salt and plus the mud puddles that I always run to in McDonald's at work. And also when I did a burnout during the photo shoot we had on the weekend, during the weekend. Dude, that is loud.
That's nasty.
By the walls.
That's nasty. Here we go with the jack.
I can't tell if this one's gonna be on top of the jack or not. No, wait, wait, we're gonna drop it. Watch out.
Wait,
Go
no.
really slow.
Wait, jack it at the same spot.
Jack what at the same spot?
Don't jack that one there and then jack
Oh,
this
right.
one.
Okay, pass that one then.
What the frick?
I don't know, man.
How many clicks did you go?
2. I mean 1. That's.
So you want it to go close to it as possible.
So max.
Is it there? What are you working on?
Putting some transmission fluid in my car.
Where do you do that? Is that under the car you put it in or no?
Speed sensor. You take out 2 bolts, pop off the speed sensor, and then you can just add.
That's gonna be hot, dude.
Yeah, it needs to be hot.
Dang. And I'm over here eating because I haven't eaten yet. And I'll just let them do their thing. I'll watch them this time. I'm done eating. So what I did, I replaced my HID with a regular bulb. So now I'm mismatched headlight, as you can see.
Works?
Yeah. How's it going with you?
Fucking shit. Guys, it might be stripped.
He thinks this one. It actually might be.
Yeah.
It looks like it.
Yeah, I see.
So we're trying to grab the caliper off to check what's in it.
So I'm gonna try this. If it doesn't work, we're fucked.
You're fucked.
I'm fucked. Should I do it? Is there a better way to?
Make sure it's the right way. Which way? Why do you have so many extensions?
Because it's too big. I need a 12.
No, why do you have this? No, take this long one off. Let me just put this on.
Click.
Yeah. Is that a 12 or?
Yeah, it's 12.
I thought you said it was a 11. Let's go on left. It's good. Lefty loosey.
Here I go.
Moment of truth. Oh, look.
Ain't doing shit. You have a flashlight? Should I use them different?
My 12 is stripped, dude.
Is that 12?
Yeah. So this is stripped, not your.
Okay. So I have to grab Van. Yo, Van, you have a 12?
Doesn't say the brand. Oh, right there. Well, we're stuck again. Can't get the caliper off.
Here you go.
I'm gonna go fucking Super
Saiyan!
Yeah, dude.
Pops right out.
So.
Oh, you are on your screen.
You're on your squealers.
Oh shit.
Chinaman's car done. He's testing it out right now. As you can hear, no squeaks so far. Except when he brakes, but that's the other side. That's this side. Okay.
But that's, we don't know for sure yet.
Huh? Why?
We don't know for sure yet. Until
Well, because when you were backing into my house, it was already squeaking.
that is true.
Yeah. Now it's like That's when you brake. That's the driver's side, yeah. So that's the squealer. Now we know it's a squealer. So you just need new pads. Alright. How's your plasti dip going, sir? It is plasti gone. Looked like he had more out. Okay, time to clean up the mess. Bang, clean. Business is done. Time to party. Party. Alright, so remember that meet we said earlier? We're gonna head to it. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Yeah.
We became 6.
There's a couple more.
Time to dip, guys. I got a dinner to go to. Peace, peace, peace. Alright, we'll see you guys another day.